Welcome to day 3000 of quarantine. How are we doing today? How are we feeling? I'm always checking in on you. You know I care. Today we are going to be doing something kind of ballsy. Why? Because why not? I need some thrill in my life right now. I need some, reason to wake up. And that reason today is brow lamination. I'm going to be using the Iconsign lash lift kit that I bought on Amazon. I have done a review already of this kit when it came to actually lifting my lashes, and it worked really well. It was actually very difficult to do, and that video was a first impression video, so you can kind of see my trials and tribulations using this kit as a lash lift kit. But then I thought, brow lamination is also done with perm solution. Can this be done on your brows? I've always wanted to try brow lamination, haven't done it before ever, and I find that my brows have this tendency of growing down, and I can see it a lot in pictures when I do my makeup. No matter how many times I do little gel things, or even I use hairspray and a spoolie, I still can't get them to stay where I want them. So brow lamination is the solution. However, brow lamination from home is kind of like trying to bleach your own hair at home. Don't do it. Don't do it. Then I thought, well, why not though? Right? Why not though? So what did I do? Let me take you through this story. So I contacted Brows by Lori _ who is the same person who did my brow ombre. She did an incredible job. She does a lot of brow lamination, and she knows what's up when it comes to anything brow related. I contacted her on Instagram before I decided to do this, just to see if it was a bad idea. Hey lady, I have a lash lift kit at home that works surprisingly well now that I've mastered it. If I use the exact same steps on my brows, will it laminate them? No. Yeah, but no. It could potentially break your brow hairs. Maybe not right away, but down the line. And I'm like, well, only if I did it over and over again, right? Because I'm trying to get the answer I want, which is go for it, girl, go for it. And she writes, no, like within a few days. Oh. Oh yeah? Just like when you bleach someone's hair, right? I guess. It's never done anything to my lashes. It actually looks great. I just do it once every 2 months or so. It's shocking how well it works actually. Again, because I'm trying to get her to tell me to do it. It's because lashes and brows are different kind of hairs. It could do nothing. It can also damage the hairs. Everyone's different. If it did break your hairs, they'd eventually grow back, I think, but I don't know for sure. That's all that I needed from her. They would eventually grow back, I think. Thank you, Lori. Rolling up my sleeves. We're gonna do this right now. Let's take a look at my brows in the before. As you can see, they look pretty damn good because of Lori's powder ombre. I have absolutely no makeup on because I don't want to get brow solution on everything, and I wanted it to work really well. So we're starting with a clean slate. Step number 1, I'm gonna recite the steps as if I know what I'm doing. I don't. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to take my false lash glue and I'm gonna glue my eyebrows where I want them to go. Holy smokes, you guys, some of these hairs are long. Look at that. So I'll trim these after I perm them. If there's still hair left to trim. I think I feel pretty good about step 1. We are gelled up. So now I'll grab a Q-tip and do step 2, and that's the perm solution. This is where shit can get really ugly. Okay, let's talk truth right now. So I did my Iconsign lash lift kit tutorial, and it was my first impression, and it was like a crazy, really weird situation, and there were a lot of mistakes and mishaps. But since then, I've permed my own lashes twice, and I'm obsessed. I don't even think I could actually not have permed lashes now. It makes a huge difference. If you are interested in having a video done about that again, where it's more streamlined with better steps and actually having it work, please leave that comment in the comment section, because next time I perm my lashes, I could do it in a tutorial for you and actually teach you how to do it in a way that really works. It's a lot easier than you would think. And it looks incredible. It makes a huge difference. Since then, I've also been using a lash growth serum called Rapid Lash that I bought at Costco, and that's made a big difference in my lashes as well. Alrighty, now let's cover this bad boy with some saran wrap. Let's set our timer to 10 minutes, starting right now. 10 minutes is up, so let's take this bad boy off. I'm gonna brush them again because the saran wrap kind of messes them up a bit. And then we will put on the fixation agent, do 10 more minutes, and then they'll be done. And now let's clean it with the number 4 cleaning solution and see if we still have eyebrows after I wipe them. Are you excited for me or what? Now we just have to trim those hairs and away we go. Let's zoom in for that. So I think the brow laminated look that people like is when it's like really pointy and like feathery. And I don't really dig that so much for my face. So this is good enough for me. I cut them short because I don't want them like too crazy, but it's totally changed the positioning of the hair for sure. Like the hair is all up now and like feathery and lifted. It's super legit. I'm gonna go put on a bit of makeup so that you get some perspective on what this actually looks like, and I'll be right back. I love it, 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 I love it. The reason I love it is it like lifts and fluffs and separate. All I really did was add a little bit of a line underneath, and I sketched a few eyebrow hairs in places that were looking a little bit patchy, and that was it. And this is the end result. If you guys like this bronzy, very natural makeup that I'm wearing, head on over to my Instagram at glamgirlgabby because I'm doing a really quick little tutorial on there on IGTV. But overall, this miraculously worked out. If my eyebrow hairs fall out tomorrow or the next day, I'll leave that in the comment section below and you will know. But so far, so good. It was totally worth it. Do I think you should do your own brow lamination at home? No. Do you want a word of encouragement? If you do, I'm just gonna tell you what Lori told me, and if your hairs fall out, they'll probably grow back. If you wanna check out some more product reviews and tutorials, then check out these videos next. As always, I'll see you in a few days. Bye.